for me in a few days. What's going on?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing really.
Why ain't you call? You ain't been out?
Just a little bit.
Everybody, welcome in, and let's get into this a second phone call with Aunt Katrina, October of 2020. Leticia is on another rant. Aunt Katrina is quiet and then just cuts her off. And with that, let's get into it.
I'm good. I ain't heard from you in a few days. What's going on?
Nothing really.
Huh?
Nothing really.
Why ain't you call? You ain't been out?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. You been having a good day?
No.
Why not?
You ought to be good about.
Well, I mean, you've been making the best of the bad situation. How about that?
Are one up individual. Let's get into this a whiny call, the random talk, and what she's talking about. I had to listen to this a few times, and I think I've lost a few hundred brain cells. Let's listen to the entirety, and then we will, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll figure it out. And let's go.
I didn't know. I said, that's how you doing.
Yeah.
Taking this flight in the thing on?
I don't know. Yes.
You have no visitors.
There's people here. You guys come get me one day, but I wasn't going with them. So I didn't know who they were. I'm not going with them.
I mean, the guards come to get you and you won't go with the guards.
No. I don't know those people like that. I remember I know the whole thing was the black shoes in my head.
What now?
I said, remember the whole thing about the black shoes in my head? No,
What black shoes?
I'll just tell you later.
Well, what do you mean about your head? I'm lost.
I just can't go with them anywhere. I'm not going anywhere until the Latory comes back.
Till who?
Until the Latory comes back.
What is that?
The council. Or the people in charge. When the Latory comes back, that's when I'll go.
You'll go where?
With the Latory.
Oh.
I'll go with the Latory and the Latory gets back. I'm not going with anybody else because that's not what I'm supposed to be doing because that's just wrong. But they put me to a new, a new room again. I got a new room again. And, in another place. And, I'm in a new room in another place. But, all my stuff still works. On the cards they gave me with, the numbers and stuff, all that still works. So, I guess I'm still at the same place. I just, got another room again.
Well, I want to tell you something. And I want you to listen to me. If you don't start going with them and answering questions, you're going to have to stay there even longer. You need to cooperate with them, baby.
I am not going with these people. I don't care how much anybody tells me to go or not go, I'm not going.
If who?
I don't care what anyone says, whoever shows up here, I'm not going. I don't know these people. there's no point of going them. I don't know these people you're talking about. I was going to see if I saw them on the video. But they never came on the video. They tried to take me somewhere. I'm not going somewhere. I'm just not doing that. And then eventually the Volturi will come. When they come, I'll go with them. But I'm not going with any of these other people. I don't know these people. I haven't seen a person that I know in a very long, long, long time. I can't go with people I don't know, and they be having like all these like chains and ropes.
Yeah, but why don't you right back to your room? You're only going to leave out for just a little while. They're not taking you away from there. You go right back.
No, I'm not going to people.
Okay, see.
Yeah, no, they're not the people I'm supposed to be going with. I have good instructions, but you're supposed to only do things that the authority told me to do, and that's what I'm waiting on. Like, I talked to them like 2 days ago.
You talked to who?
The authority like 2 days ago.
Where'd you talk to them at?
In my room.
So they come in your room?
Yeah. No. I thought they were going to come back yesterday, but I maybe got like a new place in a new area. It's a smaller area, but it's like got new paint and stuff, and you can smell the new paint. So they brought me over here, so I thought they were going to come back yesterday, but I pressed my little button trying to get them to come, but I never saw them yesterday, and then I just said I'll just do, like random stuff, because I don't have to eat or like drink or like sleep, like I don't have to do that, anymore. So I just sit there and like read something or like wait on them to come,
Why don't you have to eat anymore?
Because we don't have to eat. Like, it's just, your body is like supernatural now. Like, you don't have to like have food and like all the other stuff, because that's not what your body operates off of. It operates off of like, first it operates off blood, but they haven't given us that yet. And then it operates off like whatever the Volturi tells you. So I'm waiting on. Yeah, they told me not to trust these people. They were like, don't listen to these people here because they're just not going to do anything except try to tell you that you're not gonna, supposed to. You're supposed to listen to them and like modify behavior, kind of like the North Korean people. That's what they try to do to you here. But the authority said, no, don't listen to them. Just behave and just wait. And just wait. Just wait. And we'll keep giving you instructions. So that's what I'm waiting on. It'll be fine. Because once I get like powers, then I won't have to worry about it,
Okay.
Yeah. But be okay. Like, 2 girls yesterday when we moved, 2 girls went to see a dental doctor yesterday, and they were there like maybe like 20 minutes or 30 minutes or something. And I asked them if they see anybody from the Volturi here, and the girl was like, no, but I saw a doctor, and I was like, did she have a black? And she was like, no, I didn't see any doctors in black. Because they were black. She said their doctor had on pink. So. But they came and got her yesterday, and I was like, oh, maybe she's going to go get her powers, but no, she still wasn't the right person.
Hey, I hate to cut you short. I need you to call me back tomorrow. I ain't seen you. I got to get online.
Okay.
Call me back tomorrow.
All right. Bye-bye.
You too.
Aunt Katrina was like, hell to the no, to the no, no, no. I have to go. Oh, she got off that call. A quick, oh, whoa. Letecia Stauch is in the Twilight saga. I do not know if she is reading the books, if she wants us to think at this time in October 2020 that she was crazy. You cannot make this up. She is insane, a complete psychopath. Let me show you a 5-second clip of the Volturi. Only Letecia Stauch.
Dear Alice, we're so glad to see you here after all.
What is she talking about? Does she realize what she's saying, or is she just like this? I would love to talk to somebody who knew her before she met Al to answer the question, has she always been the? Because you cannot make this up. The things that she says and does is just bizarre. I am going to have to put together a Letecia Evil Stauch, a bloopers, a video from her doctor and notes to the judge, breaking the window out with the broom, the escape from the moving van. I mean, she is definitely, I don't know what the word is. Let's jump real quick, and I want you to listen to this part of the interrogation where Letecia Evil is speaking about Gannon and his sister. And let's listen.
No.
Somebody did from your phone. I don't like my stepson.
No.
I don't like my stepson. Should I get a divorce? I'll stalk cheating. I'll stalk Instagram. I'll stalk cheating in Colorado Springs. Catch I'll stalk cheating. How to get blood out of sheets.
Out of sheets?
Mm-hmm. I want immunity.
Oh, the blood out of sheets was because we always had always nosebleeds. If I ever looked at blood out of sheets, it was nosebleeds.
And I figured it
didn't
might be something.
I didn't ever look up anything about an artery or something unless it went from something else.
It's on your phone.
And I never looked up anything about my stepson unless someone else did it.
The reason I brought up gangs is you looked up, I want immunity because it was gang related. And this sounds like, find me a new husband, find me a rich guy who wants to take care of his kids.
The new husband is just because Albert already knew that was about the lady Debbie Sherrill who wanted to find a new husband after 35 or something. He picked me about Amazon.
Like a lot of these can have nothing to do with this.
It doesn't.
I get it. Can I spray paint wood?
Spray paint wood? Well, we always sprayed wood.
Yeah. I'm doing all the work for my stepkids and their mom doesn't help.
Oh, that bothered me. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't blame.
Oh, yes, because I wanted them to be mine. Like
what about it?
Me to be their child.
Hit and run? You Googled a lot on Leticia and they treated you differently, which I get that. Parenting should be 4 people, not 1. What a suicidal person might say. I mean, these make me very sad when I read them because I can see you're doing all the work at home by yourself.
Which I wanted to be there. Like, I wanted to totally have the kids as my children. That's the point you're not getting. Like, I wanted those kids to be saying to me that I'm their mom.
Yeah.
Like, I am the person who cares for them, loves them, everything. So you can think that.
What do you do if you suspect a person swallowed poison? Did somebody actually swallow poison?
Poison? I don't know. I always click things and read them. No one
Did somebody swallow it?
No one swallowed any poison.
Okay. You will never forgive me and treat me like a princess. You'll never know when it's too late.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I always search for things when Albert was gone.
What is an Alford plea? Did you figure out what an Alford plea was?
Alford plea?
Yeah, ALFORD.
I think someone asked me that and I probably searched it.
Do you know what it is?
Yeah.
Do you remember? What did you remember?
I don't remember. I just remember something. Because someone was writing that online. So anyone wrote something online, I looked it up. Just like the other day, someone wrote something about FBI come in or something, and if I see something online, I always Google what someone else said and see what they're saying is matching.
between her searches and how she wanted the kids to love her and to call her mom. And is that what all of this was? Jealousy that Gannon was a mama's boy? Drop your comments, guys. I want to hear from you. But with that, it is a wrap. Everybody, I thank you for coming in. And please make sure you click that like, the subscribe, and the bell for notifications, just so you do not miss the next time we drop a video and or a go live. Everybody, have a good day or a good night wherever you are in the world, and stay vigilant. I am out.